Elon Musk once said, "The future of electric cars isn't just about affordability, it's about creating a car that's smarter, more efficient, and revolutionary." Well, 2025 marks a pivotal moment when that promise is becoming reality. Tesla's latest innovation isn't just a car, it's a game changer for the future of electric vehicles, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The price? A staggering $12,749, a number that has everyone talking. But what does that price actually mean in the context of Tesla's new direction? And is the Model 2 really here? Let's break it down. The $12,749 Tesla Model 2. What's really behind that price? The idea of a $12,749 Tesla has been the subject of rampant rumors and speculation. So, what's real? Let's start by addressing the core of this affordable EV revolution. While the Model 2 isn't officially released at that price, Tesla has made real strides toward creating more affordable electric vehicles with groundbreaking manufacturing techniques and cost-saving innovations. With new standard trims of the Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla is taking significant steps toward making electric vehicles far more accessible. Starting at $36,990 for the Model 3 Standard and $39,990 for the Model Y Standard. These are the most affordable Tesla options to date, yet still far from the rumored $12,749. Tesla's goal isn't just to cut costs, it's about building a smarter, more efficient car that makes each dollar spent an investment in the future. By embracing innovative manufacturing, battery technology, and supply chain optimization, Tesla is moving closer to an electric car that won't break the bank. It's not about cheap, it's about smart. Every step of Tesla's process is designed to ensure that consumers can own an EV that's both affordable and packed with features without compromising on performance or longevity. Curious how Tesla is making this possible? In Part 2, we dive into the gigacasting revolution, a breakthrough that could reshape the entire way cars are built. The magic of gigacasting, revolutionizing car manufacturing. At the heart of Tesla's push for affordability is gigacasting. Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas has introduced a new approach to automotive manufacturing that's poised to slash costs. Instead of assembling hundreds of parts, Tesla uses a 9,000-ton aluminum press to mold the entire car frame in one go. It's a game changer for both speed and cost efficiency. What does this mean for the consumer? A stronger, more durable, and safer car. By eliminating the need for thousands of individual parts, Tesla is able to cut labor costs and reduce the number of potential weak points in construction. With fewer components to assemble, the production time speeds up and the costs drop, making it possible to pass those savings directly on to the customer. Fewer components also mean fewer chances for failure, resulting in a vehicle that performs consistently better over time without the risk of unexpected repairs. This isn't just about cutting corners, it's about cutting inefficiencies and building a better car, all while keeping the price tag as low as possible. The result is a smarter car that's still capable of providing a premium experience without the premium price. So how does this affect your daily driving experience? In Part 3, we'll explore how Tesla's new battery technology will make the Model 2 more efficient, sustainable, and powerful than ever before. The future of power. Tesla's new aluminum-ion battery. Let's talk about the power behind Tesla's Model 2, because it's not just about how far your car can go, it's about how efficiently it runs. Enter the aluminum-ion battery, an emerging technology that promises to revolutionize the way we think about power storage in electric vehicles. While Tesla currently uses lithium-ion batteries in most of its cars, aluminum-ion technology offers a lighter, more efficient solution. The Model 2 could offer a range of up to 420 miles on a single charge, a huge step forward for everyday drivers. Not only does this increase practicality, but it also significantly reduces range anxiety, making electric vehicles a viable option for longer trips. The real magic of aluminum ion is that it's fully recyclable, doesn't rely on cobalt, a volatile material, and performs better in cold conditions, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option in the long run. Tesla's focus on creating batteries that are environmentally friendly while also lowering long-term running costs is at the core of its mission to make electric vehicles affordable and practical for everyone. This means fewer concerns about resource depletion and the potential for widespread adoption of a more sustainable solution. The aluminum-ion battery also allows for faster charging speeds, reducing the wait time at charging stations. Combined with Tesla's expanding supercharger network, this could significantly improve the overall EV ownership experience. Faster charging means less downtime and a more seamless driving experience, which is crucial for encouraging new EV owners to make the switch. We've seen Tesla's manufacturing revolution and the potential of its new battery tech. But what really makes the Model 2 the smart investment for everyday drivers? Let's dive into how Tesla's smart manufacturing system delivers a safe, reliable, and affordable car without compromising on performance. Smart manufacturing. How Tesla keeps costs low. Without sacrificing safety, Tesla's approach to manufacturing is redefining the entire process of car production. The unboxed manufacturing process sets Tesla apart from its competitors. Rather than traditional sequential assembly lines, Tesla's approach allows them to build the floor, body, and frame in parallel. This streamlined process reduces assembly time, minimizes errors, and ensures a more reliable final product. By eliminating unnecessary steps and simplifying workflows, Tesla not only saves money, but can produce more vehicles in less time, addressing growing demand. For the Model 2, this means less labor, fewer errors, and more efficient production. The key benefit? Every minute saved in production equals direct savings for the customer. These savings are what will eventually help make the Model 2 an affordable option without sacrificing safety or durability. By minimizing human error and reducing the steps needed to assemble each vehicle, Tesla is able to deliver a more streamlined and high-quality product, all while keeping costs manageable. Safety remains Tesla's top priority. The Model 2 features advanced safety systems like the aluminum asynchronous induction motor and regenerative braking that make it not just affordable, but safe and reliable for everyday use. Tesla's commitment to safety innovation includes continuous improvements based on real-world driving data, ensuring that the Model 2 remains one of the safest vehicles on the road. So what makes the Model 2 a smart choice for drivers? In Part 5, we'll take a closer look at how Tesla's innovative design principles make the Model 2 perfect for drivers who value comfort, safety, and ease of use. Tesla's $12,749 Model 2, the smartest deal for everyday drivers. Finally, the question everyone's asking: is the Model 2 truly the smartest deal for everyday drivers? The answer is yes, especially for those who prioritize practicality, comfort, and safety. Tesla has engineered the Model 2 with features specifically designed for ease of use. For drivers over 55, ease of access is a critical feature. Tesla has engineered the step-in height to reduce knee strain, and the seats are designed to rotate and move to make getting in and out of the car as easy as possible. These simple features provide a huge benefit for drivers who prioritize comfort and want a more accessible, user-friendly experience. The Model 2 also introduces butterfly doors, an innovative design that reduces the space needed to exit the car by 47%, making it perfect for tight parking spaces and crowded city environments. This clever design not only improves accessibility, but also adds a touch of innovation to the driving experience. The butterfly doors offer a unique combination of functionality and style, making the Model 2 not just practical, but a vehicle that stands out in the crowd. Safety is paramount. The Model 2 features crash simulations, emergency door hinges, and rain guards to provide peace of mind for drivers. Tesla has not just built a car, they've built a car for the future where innovation meets empathy, and technology serves to make life easier and safer for all drivers. We've seen how Tesla's Model 2 is shaping the future of electric vehicles, but it's only the beginning. The future of driving is here, and Tesla is at the forefront of that change. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how the Model 2 could revolutionize the car industry and what's coming next. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the $12,749 Tesla Model 2 as we are, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates on the future of electric vehicles. Don't miss out. Hit the bell so you're the first to know when we dive deeper into Tesla's game